12 incredible future motorcycles you won't believe exist 2024. Get ready to be amazed as we take a thrilling ride into the future of motorcycles in 2024. Let's dive into 12 of the most incredible motorcycles that are set to change the game. BMW Motorrad Vision. Imagine a motorcycle that feels like an extension of your own body, a bike that's as intelligent as it is thrilling. Enter the BMW Motorrad Vision, a machine that takes the concept of riding to a whole new level. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a vision of what the future of transportation could be. With its sleek black triangle frame, this bike is a work of art. The iconic blue and white BMW logo stands out against the minimalist design, giving it a look that's both futuristic and timeless. But the real magic happens when you hop on. The BMW Motorrad Vision allows you to customize your ride in ways you never thought possible. With a simple gesture, you can change everything from the sound of the engine to the mode of transportation. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving through mountain roads, this bike adapts to your every need, making each journey uniquely yours. Yamaha Motoroid. Now, let's talk about a motorcycle that feels more like a companion than a machine. The Yamaha Motoroid is not just a bike, it's a glimpse into the future where artificial intelligence meets human intuition. Picture this, a motorcycle that recognizes your face, responds to your gestures, and even parks itself. That's right, the Yamaha Motoroid is equipped with AI and self-balancing technology, making it more than just a mode of transportation. It's a partner on your journey. The Motoroid's design is sleek and futuristic, with an aesthetic that screams innovation, but it's the bike's interaction with its rider that really sets it apart. With haptic feedback and an almost human-like ability to follow your commands, this motorcycle blurs the lines between man and machine. Verge TS electric motorcycle. For those who crave adventure and love to explore off the beaten path, the Verge TS electric motorcycle is your ultimate ride. This is not just another electric bike, it's a machine built for thrill seekers who want to conquer untamed terrains. The Verge TS features a rugged design with a powerful electric drivetrain that delivers instant torque and unmatched performance. It's built for off-road adventures, allowing you to tackle the toughest landscapes with ease. And the best part? It does all this with zero emissions, so you can enjoy the thrill of the ride without harming the environment. This bike is all about freedom. Freedom to explore, freedom to ride wherever the road takes you, and freedom from traditional fuel. The Verge TS is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of what's possible when technology and adventure come together. Honda Riding Assist. Next up, we have a motorcycle that's revolutionizing the way we ride. The Honda Riding Assist is a game changer, designed to make motorcycling safer and more accessible for everyone. Imagine a bike that keeps itself balanced, even at low speeds. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the Honda Riding Assist makes riding easier and more enjoyable. But it doesn't stop there. This bike also follows your every move, literally. With advanced technology that tracks your position, the Honda Riding Assist feels like an extension of your own body. And if that's not enough to impress you, the bike also projects crucial information onto the windshield, so you're always in the know. It's like having a co-pilot with you at all times, ensuring that your ride is as smooth and safe as possible. Aston Martin AMB 001. Luxury and performance come together in a motorcycle that could only be made by Aston Martin. Introducing the AMB 001, a bike that's as much a piece of art as it is a high-performance machine. The AMB 01 is a collaboration between Aston Martin and Bra Superior, and it's limited to just 100 units worldwide. This motorcycle is crafted from titanium and aluminum, giving it a lightweight yet incredibly strong chassis. The design is inspired by Aston Martin's iconic cars, with elements like wing details that echo the Valkyrie and Valhalla hypercars. Under the hood, the AMB alone boasts a turbocharged engine that delivers 180 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorcycles on the market. Joe Hammer J1 electric motorcycle. Last but certainly not least, we have the Joe Hammer J1, an electric motorcycle that's redefining what it means to ride. This bike is a stunning blend of art and engineering, with a design that's as unconventional as it is captivating. The Joe Hammer J1 doesn't just look different, it rides differently too. The bike's unique design offers an unparalleled riding experience, with cutting-edge technology that pushes the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. With an electric drivetrain, the J1 is both eco-friendly and powerful, offering a ride that's smooth, silent, and exhilarating. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of innovation and style. The Joe Hammer J1 is for those who want to stand out, who appreciate the finer details, and who are ready to embrace the future of motorcycling. Kawasaki J Concept. Imagine a motorcycle that adapts to your every mood and environment. The Kawasaki J Concept is exactly that. This three-wheeled marvel isn't just about looks, it's about versatility and performance. Whether you're cruising through city streets in comfort mode or craving the adrenaline rush of sport mode, the J Concept delivers. Powered by an electric motor, it offers instant torque and emission-free riding, making it both powerful and eco-conscious. With its unique front swing arms and innovative lever system, the J Concept ensures unrivaled stability and control, empowering riders to conquer any terrain with ease. Neutron Bike. Inspired by the futuristic world of Tron, the Neutron Bike is a sight to behold. This motorcycle blends sleek design with advanced technology to create an experience straight out of a sci-fi movie, featuring electroluminescent strips, carbon fiber components, and a range topping over 100 miles per hour. The Neutron Bike isn't just about style, it's about substance. With its iPad mini display, thumb scan ignition, and aerodynamic bodywork, every detail of this bike is crafted for performance and aesthetics. Whether you're riding through the city or zooming down a highway, the Neutron Bike promises a ride like no other, where innovation meets adrenaline. Zero SRX. Meet the Zero SRX, an electric motorcycle that's setting new standards in performance and sustainability. With customizable riding modes and a design that prioritizes aerodynamics, the SRX is as efficient as it is thrilling. This bike offers a top speed that rivals traditional motorcycles while emitting zero emissions, making it a pioneer in eco-friendly riding. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or an environmentalist, the Zero SRX proves that electric doesn't mean compromise. It means innovation and excitement on two wheels. Night Shadow Maiden. Step into the realm of automotive excellence with the Night Shadow Maiden, a motorcycle inspired by the elegance of Jaguar cars. Designed with meticulous attention to detail by Baron Hoyer and the Masso design team, this bike is a tribute to luxury and style. Featuring a feline-themed aesthetic and powered by a formidable engine, the Night Shadow Maiden commands attention wherever it goes. With its unique rider pose and striking appearance, this bike combines artistry with performance, offering a ride that's as captivating as it is powerful. Damon Hypersport HS. Experience the future of speed with the Damon Hypersport HS, an electric motorcycle that redefines acceleration and safety. Boasting a 200 horsepower electric motor, the Hypersport HS accelerates from 0 to 60 mps's in just 3 seconds, pushing the boundaries of what electric bikes can achieve. With a range suitable for long-distance adventures and advanced safety features, including AI-powered systems, the Damon Hypersport HS ensures a ride that's both thrilling and secure. Whether you're carving through curves or cruising down straightaways, this bike delivers unmatched performance with a focus on rider experience. BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha isn't just a motorcycle, it's a work of art on wheels. Drawing inspiration from the sleek and powerful design of a shark, this concept bike showcases a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and raw power. The Alpha is crafted from a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. This unique construction not only enhances agility, but also ensures that the bike can withstand the harshest conditions. These 12 motorcycles represent the forefront of innovation and design in the world of two-wheelers. Which one would you choose to ride into 2024 and beyond? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling adventures in the world of technology and transportation. The future is here, and it's riding on two wheels.